Last time we talked about defining quality, which over here means consistently high performance over time. Why does it matter? Because you need to know what you are getting yourself into. All quality products verified should be able to last you a long period of time. You should be able to enjoy the longevity. When it comes to hair, you should be able to manipulate, dye, straighten, curl, flat iron, do almost whatever you want to that product, and it should stand the test of time. Case in point, the wig I am currently wearing is 7 years old. I recently gave it a makeover, and all I did was add a couple of bundles and color it to match the rest of the hair. But other than that, it has maintained its integrity throughout 7 years. That is a promise we make, and it is a promise we've been able to keep consistently over time. And in this case specifically, 7 years, which is effectively the shelf life of raw hair anyway, when it is genuinely authentic. So as you can see, there are no snags. It does not tangle. She's good to go. It's also something that has obviously been designed and fit for purpose and fit for my hair. That means no matter where I go or what I do, I am not going to randomly see my hair turn green. I'm not going to randomly get unbelievable knots that I cannot work out. It's going to maintain the same integrity, luster, shine, as long as I take good care of it, which we do over here. I think the problem that a lot of people face, especially within the hair industry, a lot of consumers, is having that guarantee at the point of purchase that this product will last a long time. That is why we are rooted in research and development. And of course, if you'd like to know more, just comment quality down below.